Nirja, he stepped down as the vice captain this year.
Nirja!
But it does not matter whether he's a captain, vice captain. He will give his 200%.
Absolutely.
Yes,
So that's what we want from everyone. Even when I'm the captain, I don't feel like captain.
Whatever you
I see
say, the
everyone,
best
lot of leaders.
opening partnership that we've had to see ever is both Neeraj and Varun.
Ram.
Nobody can
Yeah,
beat that
guys,
power.
I want to add that I quietly stepped down from the captainship. It's because I've been, into work and a lot of pressure. So I was not able to manage, and he was managing alone. It was my job also to give him support, right? So whenever if someone is stepping up, please provide that support to Varun. He's working really hard. You don't know in the group how he'll be working. He'll be going behind the players. He'll be planning stuff, everything, right? So whoever comes up right now, I want them to support him. That's why I've stepped down for a reason, because I was not able to give that support, right? So I want you guys, whoever comes up, please give him the support, and we can make this team a very great team.
You
Right?
never
We
know,
have champion, but let's behave like a champion, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
And also this year we had introduced Inside Out B, and we have got 2-3 excellent players.
Great.
I think
Now which have moved to A also, right?
A and who have moved to A. And Rakesh is one.
Good temperament, Rakesh today.
He helped us win the last turf tournament. Excellent, yeah.
I think the game which changed the game today was Manoj. I think.
Yeah, excellent. Ready?
That came out of nowhere.
And the recent one is Naveen. Naveen is one heck of a player. I'm telling you, he's an excellent player. We'll see a lot of him. So keep playing. We'll have hopefully lot more anniversaries to come.
Yeah,
So
hopefully.
yeah.
Guys, we want to make this a 2-year event. 2 event per year. But because we had 2 events this year also, but that was on a not really organized like this. But the match I want to have it twice a year at
Yes.
least.
One summer and one winter.
One summer and one winter cup. Yeah, the winter one anyway. Hitman has won. I beg your
पहले
pardon.
नेम चेंज करो यार कुछ भी हो जाए नेम चेंज कर दो
Tunisians.
I want Suraj to conclude and then we can just go and get it changed.
Guys, thing is, every one of us have each and everyone will have responsibilities. So we should not go out of it or jump out of it. We should attack it. We should tackle it, and we should make it possible. That's what I'm telling. Being a very capable man, Neeraj, I would suggest you to be in the team as a vice captain.
Yeah. If
That's
you
a
have,
valid-
if
see,
it helps.
That's
Me at first, I suggested your name. That's because you are showing that maturity. Okay, responsibility. What do you say? We would like to. We want you to be in the team as a vice captain.
Reinstated back. Yes, that's the team.
And coming for the matches, certain times we don't have at least 9, so which is a very bad situation. I would request everyone to step up and be at least 12. Okay, so this is required, and good to see everyone in a single jersey.
That's right.
This
Really
for the
good.
first time it's happening. Okay, 25 of them are wearing the inside out jersey, same jersey.
That's great, yeah. Guys, clap for yourself. Come on, yeah, boys.
One. We are missing just one.
Abhishek Mania.
So we missed Suraj Divedi through say 3-4 months. One tournament, 2 tournaments whole. And a guy stepped up in that time, a leg spinner.
Yes.
He was the vice captain. He was the captain today. It didn't work out, but it has worked out tremendously. This
Vishnu.
last 6 months. Vishnu, round of applause, man. For stepping in as a prominent leg spinner.
He has come up from somewhere else to somewhere else. I'm telling you, brother, you have shown that intent, to be honest.
There was one setback he got from us, and from that time he's showed himself
He has
that
showed
He
himself.
stepped
Yeah,
up
exactly.
not one
He
level, he
stepped
stepped up 5 levels up.
So
Good job, yeah.
The feeling, everything. Every time you're not in the game, we are lacking a point fielder, to be honest. I'm telling you this. We always lack a point
fielder, man.
fielder.
Actually, this year,
60 this
no, but this year we missed Mayank and Suraj due to injuries or personal issues. But then
Injuries also
the way he has
happen.
stepped up, no, it is amazing. Like the wickets that Suraj and I have got is mostly due to the pressure that he's applied from the other end.
seriously,
And kudos to you, bro.
lovely.
Come on.
I think let's go. I think it's the heat. Let's just call it out loud and let's just take the post.
Inside out, guys.
Inside out, boys.
Come on.
It should be loud and clear.
Vasan Baro. 3, 2, 1.
Inside out.
डैम ब्रो
कौन है वो? ये वीडियो निकाल लेना चाहिए.
डैम ब्रो
अरे राहुल
किसका देता था ये 360 है ना
पोस्टमैन के लिए रुकना है. हाँ मैंने बोल दिया चलने के लिए. तो चल निकलते हैं. मैंने अपना बैग सब रख लिया.
परफेक्ट किसका है